people are very nervous of Rosh Hashanah. Yom Adin! Yom Adin! They're going to write. Listen to me very carefully.
Okay, we've been there. We've been there
the
over
exact
the last 20
amount
years.
that goes
That's the
on
problem.
in the head, even in my head, and I need to fight it out every year from scratch. So
Yeah.
I'm here to fight it out with you. Hopefully,
By all means, please.
help
I would love
a
that.
few people realize that Rosh Hashanah is not a scary. They're gonna write if I'm gonna live or die. They're gonna write how I'm gonna live and die. I mean, exactly right.
Oh.
We die every day.
Well-
We don't die the last day of our lives. We die every day,
Okay.
and then we stop dying.
Okay.
Right?
So what happens to the Shoshana?
Exactly. They're gonna write down exactly which punishments if Chaz v'Shulam, and they're gonna write down the exact amount of in cents, diamonds, nickels, cents, how much you're gonna make this year. So you better shape up.
Okay. It's one way of viewing Rosh Hashanah.
So you have suggested another way.
Yeah. I mean, if I'd be your God, I wouldn't want you to feel that about me. Think about that.
Right.
I'm
It's
supposed
not
to be.
very-
I'm supposed to be your loving God, and I'm supposed to, like we spoke this whole thing about building a relationship with Him, and suddenly you're fearing that I'm gonna beat the living daylights out of you. Like,
Right.
why are you thinking that about me? Don't I love you?